So hello guys, myself Hardagya.
Hello guys, myself Mayur.
So we have built a platform, AssetFlow. It is an enterprise asset and resource management system. It is a role-based ERP platform for tracking physical assets, allocations, shared resource bookings, maintenance, and audit cycle with a first-class MCP integration for Cloud Desktop. We have used PernStack, Postgres, Express, React, and Node.js, and for styling we have used Tailwind CSS.
Along with we have used the Docker for deployment. We have used Docker Compose to run multiple containers at the same time. So let's go deep dive in our project. So here you can see this is our project running on our local machine. Along with this is our deploy link which we entirely deploying using the Docker. So here you can see that we have build the Docker Compose file. Via this we have deploy entire backend, front end, along with database, along with MCP server, entire in one platform. So on render we have just pulled the Docker image which we have push on the Docker hub. Here you can see we have our push our Docker image here. So let's start our project. So here you can see here is a sign up page. So let's create an account. So as mentioned in the project description that whenever first user will create an account, he automatic assign to the employee role. So let's see that. So here you can see account has automatically created, and you can see that it assign the employee ID. So this is an employee dashboard. Let's log in with the admin dashboard. So here are the demo credential. We have to just click on that. The credential will be automatically filled.
So this is our admin dashboard. Here we can see the available assets, which is 11, allocated assets, under maintenance, active bookings, pending transfers, upcoming returns, and most importantly, overdue returns or audit cycles.
So let's see the organization tab where we can see whatever the departments we have. So here are the departments, like here are the code words, here are the members in this department, here are total members. From this we can edit the department, or if you want to create new department, we can. So after that, this is a category, like for which asset category we want to put the asset in particular category. From here we can, here are the multiple category. If we want to make new, we can. Here from we can also change the status active and inactive. For, like, for example, the furniture status is active, so let's make inactive and save the changes. So here you can see category save, its status has been inactive. So this is an employee. From here we can see the number of employee. From here we can change its department to, like, for example, RO is in information EA. This is an own admin. So let's see, like, this is an Mayur, where first he sign up, he gets the employee account and not assign any department. So admin is going to assign the department to him. For example, we are going to assign the information technology department. Along with we are giving the department head as an role. So from here we can see these are active, inactive. From here we can also search any employee we can. After that, if you want to categorize or filterize employee according to the admin role, we can. So active, inactive. So this is an entire organization plan. After this is a receipt. So here we can see the feature which is an important feature given by the given in problem statement, that it should download the Excel file. So for now there are available 11 accounts and allocated. So let's click on the export CSV. So you can see CSV has been downloaded. Just let's open. So here you can see the data has been come. So it's also working along with department allocation. This CSV also downloaded along with maintenance, and all the data is also. For example, this is an entire asset CSV. Let's export this CSV. If we open, where we can see the asset CSV. So all these are working. Then in audit we can see whatever the audit is there. We can see enter the audit status and all. In maintenance we can see all the maintenance requests, like which are the pending requests, which are in progress, which are resolved. After that, resource booking, from here we can book new booking. From here we can book new. So here you can see, if we put the end time less than start time, we get the error. So we have to add the end time greater than start time. So now let's see the asset directly. Right here we can see the all the assets. So for example, let's see this MacBook Pro, or let's see the Dell Latitude. So let's see the MacBook Pro. So this is a MacBook Pro asset, where we can see the entire detail of this MacBook Pro, like detail, allocation, to whom it is allocated. Like for example, here you see the Priya Sharma has been allocated, and it's this is all entire detail along with QR code. If we scan this QR code via mobile, we can see the details. So let's go to our MCP server, which is the most unique feature of this project. So we have built the entire MCP server for Claude Code. So here you can see this is in Claude desktop config file. We have add our MCP server. So here you have seen that this laptop is assigned to the Priya Sharma. So let's see, when we ask our Claude code that this laptop is who hold it, so we can get the answer. For here we can see connector in connector, you see the asset flow, which is our MCP server. We can on and off from here. So for now we have enabling and writing the question to the Claude code.
So now we can manage this website using normal English, using our own prompts. For example, if I type who is currently holding laptop AF0114, let's see what it gives.
So here you can see our tool is connected and the Claude is calling our result tool. So this tool just taking the permission from us, like do you want to call? So when we give permission,
It gives that AF0114 for MacBook Pro 14 is currently held by the Priya Sharma, allocated due back August 11, 2026, and it is not overdue. And we can see here the Priya Sharma is holding MacBook Pro 14. Now, if I want to know how many laptops are available, then we can see that there are 4 available laptops, all at IT store, and all are in good conditions. So here we can see the available laptops. Let's user filters and find out how many laptops are available. Yes, so we can see there are 4 laptops available, and our Claude also gave the same output. So this proves that the MCP model is working perfectly. Now we are going to use some simple action prompts, like transferring one asset to another. For example, I would say him transfer laptop AF0114 from Priya to Raj. As we know that Priya is holding laptop MacBook Pro 14. So let's see. I told them to transfer it from Priya to Raj. So here we can see that the laptop has been transferred from Priya Sharma to Raj Patel. So here I am giving another prompt. 3 people in sales need laptop next week. Allocate what's available and tell me what's we are short on. Okay. So let's see what it gives. So he can saying that he has 4 laptops available. So 3 requests can be fully covered with none short. I just need the names of 3 people to allocate to. Who are these 3 people? So once I will give him the names of 3 people, he will automatically allocate to them.
So this is an activity log where we can see all the activity which is performed in our application. So here we have raised the maintenance activity. So here we can see that activity has been raised along with date and time. So this is an audit cycle resource booking. I think all of the cover admin features are done. So let's go with another panel. So here is an manager panel. So let's sign on in this manager panel. So okay, manager can see his whatever the roles he have assigned, that he can see here reports and that. And one more feature, that whatever the notification gets to the manager that are come in-app notification, like upcoming bookings and all. So here we can do a mark as read. So let's go to the now department head admin panel. So this is a department head admin panel. So here he can see all the statics along with transfer, returns and all, then return, then booking, and whatever the booking or whatever the audits the department head come here, he can see in this notification. So now let's see the user panel, that is employee. So let's log in with Priya. So he only see the limited KPIs here. So here you can see the audit which he has raised along with the maintenance. If he want to raise the request for the asset, he can. For example, we are running on priority high raise, you can do. Okay, if he, and also if the asset is not allocated by him, he can't raise the he can't raise the maintenance request. Like he currently allocate the MacBook Pro, so we are going to raise for this. So if we are where we can see the maintenance request has been raised along with dashboard. Here we can see one under maintenance, all that. And if we want to book any resource from here, she can book.
So this is all from our side. Hope so. We'll meet in final round.
Thank you.